Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Hryfine build and checking it meets system requirements, because mismatches cause many failures. Once done, backup configuration files and export current logs so you can restore or compare later. Make sure you have admin rights and network access. Open key ports like 8080 and 443 if required. This prevents avoidable interruptions and lets you proceed with targeted fixes rather than guessing at root causes. You now diagnose core services by restarting Hryfine components and watching startup output to see where it fails, because restart often reveals immediate errors. Then run the built-in diagnostics or start in safe mode to isolate problematic modules and reduce variables. Make sure dependencies like the database, cache, TLS certificates, and third-party APIs are reachable and compatible. Connection failures or expired certs are common culprits. Collect fresh logs during these steps. You apply targeted fixes based on the logged errors. Patch or reinstall the failing module, adjust configuration entries, and clear caches so stale data doesn't persist. Once done, run quick smoke tests to verify endpoints and user flows, then recheck logs to confirm errors are gone. If problems persist, revert to your backed-up configuration and run a diff to pinpoint recent changes that introduce the issue. This comparison often exposes subtle misconfigurations you can correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.